In this video, you will learn how to make money with Uber Eats. Making money with Uber Eats is simple and flexible, mainly through becoming a delivery driver, known as an Uber Eats driver partner. To sign up on the Uber Eats platform, pass a background check and set up your payment details. Once you're approved, you can begin accepting delivery requests from your local restaurants to consumers. Your earnings are based on factors such as distance travelled, time spent, and tips from customers. Uber Eats allows you to work from your own schedule, providing a great flexibility, whether you want to work part-time, full-time, or during peak hours from our earnings. To maximise your income, it's essential to work during busy times, such as lunch, dinner, or rush hour, or on weekends, as Uber Eats often introduces surge pricing or bonuses to drivers during these hours. You can also increase earnings by providing excellent customer service to earn higher tips. Uber Eats offers an instant pay feature, so you can cash out your earnings immediately for just a small fee. Additionally, you can earn money through referrals by inviting friends and family to sign up and delivery drivers with Uber Eats. Combining Uber Eats with other gigs, such as DoorDash and GetHub, can help you increase the number of orders you can take, further boosting your potential income to earn. Whether you're looking for extra cash or a full-time job, Uber Eats always offers flexibility and a flexible way to make money on your own terms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.